children, myself I am Sheikh Asif Ali, English Anand. So now we are here to discuss the poem, that is the Squirrel. This is a very small and a very sweet as well as a cute poem where we are going to know something different. We can say that what the writer had written here, wrote in her verse, but still it is very interesting to look on this little animal, that is the squirrel. So the squirrel, the first poem from the book Honeycomb, a prescribed book for class 7. So now let us start. Let us start about the author here. Mildred Bowers Armstrong. She is the one who wrote this poem. Mildred Bowers earned her bachelor's degree from Northwestern University in 1923. She also studied at Mount Holyoke College, the University of Chicago, and the University of Wisconsin. Bowers titled her first volume of poetry, Twist of Smoke. The Twist of Smoke won the 1928 Yale Younger Poets Prize and was published by Yale University Press Works. Bowers also published verse in periodicals under her married name. So let us have a look on the word census required for this poem. A very little poem. The first word is tease. Make fun or attempt to provoke in play, fully way. Teasing, if someone is, few people used to do normally when someone is playing good, you will tease him in some other words. Till the time it is very funny, it is very entertaining. For such things we call it as tease. We call it as tease. Then, so the next word is overcoat. A long, warm coat. We people used to wear coats when we find it is like winter around us. So that's the thing, and an image is also given for your easy understanding here. Overcoat, a long, warm coat. Then it is color, grey. Grey itself is a color, a common color, what we use normally in our day-to-day life. Then the poem, the Squirrel. You might have observed squirrel somewhere on the roads or somewhere in some gardens, forests, nearby your parks, etc. like that. And try to observe it whenever you get some time. So this is from your textbook. You may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. What did it look like? Here is poet's description of just such a squirrel. Squirrel is the same thing what we find here. Then to find the same there. Everywhere the squirrel is the same. But try to note down the naughty activities he used to do. We call it naughty, a teaser, because the activity of the squirrel stands in that way. The squirrel, this is the poem. He wrote a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. He wrote a question mark for tail. This is what the poet is describing here. He wrote a question mark for tail. The tail of the squirrel stands like a question mark and an overcoat of grey. It looks like it is wearing some, what we say, like a grey coat, because it is having some types of line on its body. He sat up straight to eat a nut. So whenever the squirrel sits to eat its nut, it is in the habit of standing straight enough, making its body completely stiff, and then it enjoys that nut. And we like to tease and play. Suppose we go to see, it will show us that it got feared and it will run off and come back. We'll be there only. So like that it used to even tease with us even with the other animals around it. And if we run around his tree, he went the other way. So when we try to go and catch it, it is in the habit of running away from that place. Means it is very tough and difficult enough to catch squirrel and make it a tame animal like dog, a cat, or like that. So now let us go with the summary. So this is a very sweet and a cute poem I have already told you. And here in the poem, the squirrel, the poet Mildred Bowers Armstrong describes a squirrel that she observes in her garden. So the poet describes how the squirrel, covered its grey fur, sits in an upright position on a tree branch eating a nut. His tail looks like a question mark because of its bent shape. So the happy and lively squirrel loves to play with the poet and her friends. Whenever they ran around his tree, he would run to the other side of the tree. So the poet tells us about the nature of the squirrel, that is innocently naughty and likes to tease anyone who comes near him. Okay, dear children? So this is about the poem The Squirrel. Thank you.